Hello rainbows, welcome back to my channel. Today is a bit of a different video. I thought I would try mixing my own foundation from non-foundation colors. It's probably going to be an epic fail, but we'll try. We'll try. I don't think I'm that skilled, but you know. So recently I saw that LA Girl have come out with their own foundation mixers. So these are designed to be mixed in with your foundation to alter the color. So foundation's not cool toned enough for you, or not light enough for you. That's cool. You can make your own foundation. So they have come out with 4 colors, and I thought, why not just mix these colors together, only these colors, and see if I can make my own foundation color. They basically say on the packaging you can custom mix your shade. So these are Pro Color Foundation Mixing Pigments. You've got white, you have blue, you've got orange and yellow. This one is designed to obviously lighten most shades. This will shift a shade to a cooler tone. This one will shift deeper shades to a warmer tone, and this one will shift lighter shades to a warmer tone. So you've got 2 warm mixing ones, a cooler mixing one, and white. I have not used any of these. Obviously I've already opened one of them. I thought I was going to use one the other day on a client, but I never did. But oh my gosh, I have no idea if this is going to work. So we are gonna just persevere until I get an actual foundation resembling color. So these are pump ones. I'm definitely gonna have to mix some orange in here, because if I just do blue and yellow with white, it's gonna be like a mint, isn't it? Start with the orange. Why don't we actually see what they're like on their own? Orange. Blue. Oh my god, really? These are quite pigmented. Yellow. And then white. I've never used any of LA Girl's products. I think I just covered the yellow. Let's do another yellow swatch. I don't even know how these perform as foundations, but yeah, this is just saying it's basically pigment. So I'm just gonna use this as a little mixing board. I'm gonna start off with, this is quite dark, so we'll do like half a pump. Definitely gonna need some blue in there because that is quite, you know, full on. So half a pump and maybe a tiny dash of the yellow. Let's just see what that comes up with. Mix this all together. Oh, okay. It's orange. I'm gonna add a whole heap of white and we'll just see. I just did 2 pumps of white. Definitely still too warm. So 2 pumps of white. Oh my gosh, too light. All right, maybe 1 pump of white. Let's try again. We'll do half a pump, full pump of blue, 1 pump of white, wow, that orange is strong. Oh my, oh. This is the color. Oh my gosh, did I get this on the second go? Oh my god, that is quite close. Oh, is that, what was that? It was half a pump of orange, 1 pump of blue, 1 pump of white. I don't know, maybe it needs a little bit more yellow. Oh my god. Okay, now I think it's a little bit too ashy. So, all right, let's go again. Running out of room. So, we'll go here. 1 pump of blue, 1 pump of white, half a pump of orange, and maybe a tiny dash of yellow. All right, there you have it. Clean finger. I know this is not the most hygienic way to do things, but you know. That is so weird. Like, I'm making foundation. Oh my gosh. All right, I did most of this side with that color. I need to wipe some off. All right. Could this be the perfect shade? I think it kind of is. Oh my God, that was so much easier than what I thought it would be. Holy crap. I don't know if the undertones are right or not, but like that matches my skin. All right, I'm gonna wipe all this off and then we'll just go in with that last foundation color that I mixed and we will see. How freaking weird is that? All right. It like looks like nothing. I don't know if this oxidizes or, you know, but like this looks like it's just like the perfect match for my skin. Holy balls. Oh my God. I'm so impressed with myself. And I need more. Oh no. That's the only thing. Like what happens if you run out, you know? Let me just zoom you guys in. I don't know if it's too pale. I don't know. But wow. So I do have one of their Pro Concealers, which I haven't used. I think this is going to be too dark. This is in the shade Light Ivory. Oh, okay. Maybe it's not going to be too dark. It looks very yellow. Okay, we'll roll with it. It's very yellow. I need a peachy one, not a yellow one, but that's all right. It's actually lighter than I thought, like consistency wise. I thought that this would be quite kind of thick, but it's actually quite a light consistency. I am just blown away at that foundation, guys. Oh my God, how does that even happen? It makes you realize what, obviously, you know, underlying tones they put in everything. I knew blue would be a part of it, but it's just like, wow. Wow, I am impressed with that foundation. I'm gonna check back in with you guys throughout the day and just see how it wears. I'm just brainstorming here. So you could obviously like buy your perfect foundation color, just one bottle. But if you wanna mix your own foundation and you buy all of these shades, that's gonna last you like 4 times as long. And then if you're like paler one day, if you've fake tanned, you can alter it and you literally will always have the perfect foundation color on hand, no matter what. And it would last so long. I mean, granted, you'd have to like this formula, but I'm thinking it's quite good. It's kind of like a natural coverage. It is like, I wouldn't say it's like bam, like insanely full coverage. Obviously this was one layer. I used a stippling brush to apply it, which does give a kind of softer result. So you could definitely build this up and make it more intense, but it feels nice on the skin. Yeah, like this is cool. What have I unleashed? Hey everyone. So I forgot to do an update because I am slack and mum life is crazy and trying to get Hazel to sleep and she's sick and oh my God. So it is now 4:30. It's been on for maybe, I don't know, 6 hours or so. It has worn off a fair bit, so I've got a lot of wearing off here, like a lot of wearing off around here, kind of little bits of creasing under my eyes, so I definitely would say that this is not a long-lasting foundation. It's not, you know, obviously you could build it up if you want to set it with powder, all that jazz. It might last you a bit longer, but for me personally, nah, not so much. It's good for like everyday kind of coverage, or everyday wear or whatever, but yeah, like I said, like that, those kind of pigments are meant to be added in with foundation, so they may not be a foundation on their own, but yes. Anyway, rainbows, I accidentally forgot to film a outro, so I do apologize. But yeah, I thought that these were quite cool. I was pretty impressed that I could actually make a foundation shade like this. The longevity of the foundation probably isn't that great. Yes, you can build it up if you use more of a heavy duty concealer over the top, or if you like to use lots of setting powder or whatever. That might give it a little bit more longevity, but I did find it did fade and kind of wear off after a few hours of wear. Other than that though, I think these are great. Like, it's great to have it in your kit if you're a makeup artist and you constantly need to tint different foundations. I think that's a really great additive to have. And the fact that they have different colors, not just white. I do really wish they had a darkening color. So that kind of sucks that they don't have that. But other than that, I think they're quite good. And yeah, thanks for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.